Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create an impact affiliate marketing account. In this video we will talk about impact.com, how you can earn money from it, the types of account, the sign up and account setup processes, and lastly we will also do a demonstration of all the steps needed to submit your marketplace application. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these things. Impact.com is a marketplace where you can connect with more than 2,500 partners and start getting paid faster and easier. You can generate revenue from your existing content or new commerce content partnerships. It has content for affiliates, influencers, mobile apps, content publishers, and premium news and media publishers. You can become a partner and work with many renowned companies like Adidas, Airbnb, Backcountry, Drop, DoorDash, Fanatics, Lenovo, L'Oreal, Walmart, Uber, Revolut, and Ticketmaster. To get started, click the Request a Demo button at the top right corner. Impact has two types of accounts. First is for brands, agencies, and premium publishers who want to create sustainable growth through partnerships. If you want to sign up as a business, then use this Request a Demo button. The second type of account is for creators, influencers, and publishers who want to become partners with the businesses. To sign up for this type of account, use this Sign Up as a Partner button. We're going ahead with this type of account. This is the sign up page for partners. From here you can change your language. You can easily sign up using your Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter or LinkedIn account. Or else you can also use your email address. So click here on the sign up with email button. On this page, you need to fill in all your basic information like your name, username, email address, password, and phone number. So let's start. Here enter your first name, then here enter your last name. Next here create a username. Then here enter your email address and then create a password. And lastly, here select your country code and enter your phone number here. And once you've filled in all these details, then tick the box of Partner User Agreement and Master Campaign Agreement. And lastly, click the Get Started button. Now, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Enter it here and then click the Continue button. On the next page, you will be asked, what is your primary business model? If you're a publisher focused on producing editorial content related to promoting, comparing, and listing products or services, then select the Content to Review option. If you are a publisher who aggregates or classifies deals and promotions for consumer savings, then select the Deal or Coupons option. If you're a publisher who incentivizes transactions from consumers, employees, or businesses through a membership or benefits reward program, then select the Loyalty or Rewards option. If you're an individual who markets products and services to their own audience on social media platforms, then select the Social Influencer option. If you have publisher platforms that broker access to brand campaigns and provide tracking, reporting, and payment services, then select the network option. If you're providing site-side shopping tools or services that drive conversion optimization for brands, then select the commerce solution option. If you have search engine, social, or programmatic marketers that manage keyword campaigns for brands, often on a performance basis, then select the media arbitrage option. And lastly, if you have businesses that publish offers, content, and or complementary products to current customers or audiences, for example, exit traffic, improved user experience, to drive incremental revenue, then select the cross-audience monetization option. Select a suitable option according to your profile. We are continuing with the content or review option. and then click the Continue button. On the next page, you need to select the methods that you will use to promote the products. You can choose between website, social media, mobile app, podcast, email or newsletter, and offline. If you want to promote a website, then click the Add Website button. Now on the next page, you need to add your website's details. Here enter your website's name and then here enter your website's address. We are adding pseudo information. You can add as many website details as you want. After entering the website details, click the Submit button and you will be taken back to the Methods page. Here you can also verify the details you've entered of your website. You can also add your social media profile along with the website. To add it, click the Add Social button. On this page, you will find all the popular social media platforms that you can add. You can add your profiles from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, WeChat, and Weibo. You can click your desired platform and then you'll be taken to its login page. After successfully logging in, you will need to authorize impact.com to access your profile, and after authorizing, it will be added to your profile. Now, if you want to add any other method, then add it and finally click the Continue button. Now, on the next page, you will be asked about yourself. If you're an individual or creator who promotes brands across your own media properties, then select the individual option. Or else, if you're a member of or represent a company who promotes brands across its media properties, then select the company option. Now here you need to enter your account's display name. Then select your country from this drop-down menu. Now here enter your complete mailing address including the zip code. Then select your time zone from the drop-down and finally select your currency. And once you've filled all these details, then click the Submit button. Next, you need to verify your preferred currency, which can't be updated later, so ensure your currency is correct before continuing. And then click the OK button. Now the registration process will start. It might take some time, and after that you will be taken to this page where you need to complete your marketplace profile. On the left side, you will see the steps needed to complete your profile. So let's do it by clicking the Get Started button. First, you need to verify your email address. So check your email and click the link that you have received. And after successfully verifying, you will be automatically redirected to the next step. In this step, you will need to complete your public profile. Here, upload a logo or profile picture. Then write a small description here. Now enter the tags for your content and interest here. If you want to change your business model, you can change it from here. Below are some additional information. If you want, you can make changes in them. You can do so and then finally click the Save button. After completing your profile, your application will be submitted for review. It takes nearly 3 to 5 business days to get it reviewed. And once it is reviewed, you will be notified by email about its status and you can also see it here. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to create an Impact Affiliate marketing account. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you've benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or you want us to make a video on any particular topic, just feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.